Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today I'm going to make the most requested video. After uploading my mango faluda recipe, I got so many requests to make homemade mango ice cream. So today we're going to make super easy, no churn, no condensed milk mango ice cream. So let's see the ingredients. And in this recipe, you need to remember the number 200 because here you're gonna need 200 grams of milk powder, 200 grams of fresh cream, 200 grams of sugar, 200 grams of mango, and 200 ml of milk. Now add all the ingredients into a blender. Now blend them really well and pour it into a freezer-safe container. And freeze it overnight. And the next day, before scooping the ice cream, place the bowl on the countertop for 5 to 10 minutes. Then start scooping the smooth and the creamy, tasty, delicious homemade mango ice cream. You can serve this ice cream with some mango puree or some mango cubes. This super easy mango ice cream is loved by everyone. You can replace the mangoes with any other fruit, but just remember the 200 gram measurement. And in this ice cream, if you're using the fruits which is really sweet, you can reduce the sugar amount to 100 grams. So definitely try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.